Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon Prime password when you're already logged in. This is a handy skill to have when you need to access your account on a different device or share login details securely. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Before we dive into the steps, here's something crucial you need to know. You can't directly view your Amazon Prime password while logged in on Amazon itself. For security reasons, Amazon never displays your current password anywhere on their website. However, there's still a way to retrieve it if you've saved it in your browser, which is what we'll be covering today. Let's start by opening your web browser. Once you've got that open, look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three dotted lines. This is your browser's menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your browser's configuration page where you can manage various aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find several options for customizing your browser. Click on Autofill and Passwords. This section is where your browser stores all the login credentials you've saved over time, making it easier to sign into your favorite websites without typing everything out each time. Now, here's another important note. This method will only work if you previously saved your Amazon password in your browser. If you haven't done that, your password won't be stored here, and you'll need to reset it through Amazon's password recovery process instead. Assuming you did save your password, look for an option labeled Google Password Manager and click on it. This will open up a comprehensive list of all the websites and services for which you've saved login information. It might take a moment to load, especially if you've saved numerous passwords over time. In the Google Password Manager, you'll see a list of websites. Scroll through until you find Amazon.com and click on it. This will bring up the specific details for your Amazon account, including your username and the hidden password. Finally, to reveal your password, look for the Show Password icon. It's usually represented by an eye symbol. Click on this icon, and your browser will display your Amazon Prime password in plain text. You may be prompted to enter your computer's login password or verify your identity through a fingerprint or face scan, depending on your security settings. This extra layer of security ensures that only you can access your saved passwords. And there you have it. You've successfully retrieved your Amazon Prime password using your browser's built-in password manager. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.